Key points during concrete pouring in hot weather. Pouring concrete in hot weather presents challenges such as rapid evaporation of water, accelerated setting times, and potential cracking. To ensure high-quality results, there are a few simple points which will protect summer concrete and will make it easier to obtain the best concrete. Preparation. Schedule timing. Pour concrete early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid peak heat. Site preparation. Ensure the site is ready for rapid placement and have sufficient labor and equipment on hand to finish the concrete. Mix design. Cool materials. Use cool water and, if possible, cool aggregates to lower the concrete temperature. Admixtures. Use retarders to slow down the setting time and water reducers to maintain workability without increasing water content. Higher slump. Start with a higher initial slump to compensate for the loss of workability due to rapid evaporation. Transport and delivery. Efficient transport. Minimize the time between mixing and pouring to prevent the concrete from heating up. Shade and covering. Shade concrete trucks and cover the concrete during transport to keep it cool. Pouring techniques. Continuous pour. Pour continuously and avoid delays to reduce the risk of cold joints. And don't order or try to place more ready-mixed concrete than you can reasonably expect to finish and cover. Shade and covering. Try to shade the concrete from direct sunlight. Compaction. Ensure proper compaction to avoid air pockets and weak spots. Protection and curing. Evaporation control. Use evaporation retarders or fog sprays to maintain surface moisture. Immediate curing. Start curing as soon as possible after finishing the surface. Moisture retention. Use wet burlap, plastic sheeting, or curing compounds to retain moisture in the concrete. Extended curing. Hot weather may accelerate drying, so extend the curing period to ensure proper hydration. Monitoring and quality control. Temperature monitoring. Continuously monitor the temperature of the concrete mix and the ambient air. Sampling and testing. Conduct regular sampling and testing, slump test, compressive strength test, to ensure the concrete meets specifications. Site conditions. Shade work area. Provide shade over the work area to reduce the temperature. Wind protection. Use windbreaks to reduce evaporation caused by hot, dry winds. Safety. Hydration. Ensure workers stay hydrated and take breaks to avoid heat-related illnesses. PPE. Use appropriate personal protective equipment to protect workers from heat and sun exposure. Benefits of proper hot weather concrete pouring. Prevents rapid drying. Maintains adequate moisture in the concrete to ensure proper hydration and strength development. Reduces cracking. Minimizes the risk of thermal and plastic shrinkage cracking due to rapid evaporation. Ensures workability. Maintains the workability of the concrete mix, allowing for proper placement and finishing. Achieves desired strength. Ensures the concrete cures properly, achieving the desired strength and durability.